Good afternoon, dear listeners of our channel. My name is Kristina Berkas, founder of international legal bridge law firm. Our firm specializes in the practice of international law, IT law, intellectual property, and generally, we help with facilitating the international business activities of our clients. We work in jurisdictions such as Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Dubai, Malta, Cyprus, Seychelles, and state Delaware in the USA. We also offer services related to cryptocurrency in Kyrgyzstan, Dubai, Seychelles. Another area of legal practice is international tax planning. I would like to outline two areas of specialty practice I will discuss today. First point, cryptocurrency and how we can help you remain compliant across a variety of jurisdictions. Second point, the high-tech park in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan, and how it can help software companies minimize their tax liability. Starting with crypto. The international legal bridge law firm can help with obtaining crypto exchange licenses in jurisdictions such as Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Dubai, and Seychelles. I have seen the trend, the obtaining crypto licenses in Kyrgyzstan due to the relative ease and speed of obtaining such licenses in Bishkek. Obtaining such licenses in Kyrgyzstan also has the benefit of reduced state duties and reasonable cost of legal services relative to other countries. Secondly, one of the most exciting business opportunities in Kyrgyzstan is the high-tech park in Bishkek, which was created in 2011. It is a place with a special tax structure, providing many benefits to its residents. Residents of the high-tech park can be legal entities and individual entrepreneurs without regard to its citizenship. The primary requirements of the high-tech park are following. First point, high-tech park residents must generate 90% of their income as a result of following activities. Software development, including analysis, design, and programming of information system. The main requirements for becoming a resident of the high-tech park, the following. At least 90% of the revenue of the business is as a result of the above noted type of business activities. I mean software development. Second point, 1 year from the date of registration, the resident must have at least 80% of its income from the export of its services. Third point, tax payments and reporting to the high-tech park director shall be, of course, timely. 4 point, provide statistical activity information at the request of the high-tech park director. 5 point, the resident will have an obligation to provide a certified financial audit every year to the high-tech park director. Cost of obtaining the certified financial audit will be borne by the resident. 6 point, high-tech park residents must quarterly pay 1% of the revenue received. Now, on to the benefits of being a high-tech park resident. Exception from income tax, sales tax, and VAT. Second point, everyone knows that the biggest cost for IT companies is salaries. Residency in the high-tech park reduces income tax liability for individuals plus a reduction in social fund contributions. I send all clients a tax table so they can see for themselves the benefits. Third point, most notably, a high-tech resident can operate anywhere in the world. With a geographically dispersed team, no problem. So, how do you become a resident of the high-tech park in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan? First point, register as a legal entity or as an individual entrepreneur in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. Second point, submit a list of required documents to the director of the high-tech park. Documents will be reviewed within 1 month of submission. Decisions on applications will be made by the director and commission of the high-tech park based on applicable requirements and the law. Within 5 working days of approval, a certificate of initial registration is provided. An agreement is made with the applicant on proposed activities, and the high-tech park issues documents to be submitted by the tax authority on the registration of a new high-tech resident. Within 6 months, the company is required to demonstrate MVP in the relevant activity, showing profitability, after which the resident will receive final registration in the high-tech park on an indefinite basis. The high-tech park will issue a certificate of the final registration within 5 working days of the decision. I hope IT specialists know what does MVP mean. But I think not only IT specialists can see this video. I will explain MVP. MVP means minimum viable product. In case of non-compliance, the following rules are in effect. First point, the high-tech park will revoke the registration of residents engaging in non-permitted activities. The resident will be subjected to retroactive taxation back to the period of initial registration. Second point, the decision to revoke the status of a high-tech park resident may be appealed under the law of Kyrgyzstan, but also, a resident may withdraw their registration in the high-tech park. Dear listeners, please note, you shouldn't apply for the high-tech park residency if your activity doesn't meet the criteria presented. As international lawyers, we're happy to help you look for other law jurisdictions. Please write. Okay, what we offer regarding application to high-tech park. We can prepare your entire resident application package for submittal to the high-tech park. The primary concern is the business plan and its alignment with the regulations. We can help you develop your business plan, represent your interests with the high-tech park, and do all within the law to help you enjoy the benefits of participating in the high-tech park in Bishkek in Kyrgyzstan. That is all I have to say about how to become a resident of high-tech park in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. Please like this video if you think it was useful, subscribe to our channel, and of course we are waiting for your messages by mail, WhatsApp or Telegram, or via our application forms on the website of International Legal Bridge. See you next time as our client.